Hello. My name is Brian Godfrey. I'm here representing OGV Tech. OGV Tech is a financial technology company, fintech for short. We create and implement technology into the financial markets, and not just any technology, but essentially what ourselves as a company, what we've done is we've gone out there and learned and compiled the way that the best traders, the multimillionaires, the people that are actually making the money, what they're actually doing to develop their edge in the top institutions and even just as traders in the New York Stock Exchange, in Chicago area, and what they actually do to develop trading systems that make the money. We have learned that system and we have applied that system to ourselves and are going to teach and implement this system with large language models. And by implementing and using large language models in this process, what we will essentially be able to do is exponentially increase our ability to actually create these systems that will go and perform in the market, and on top of that, automate that entire process. Okay, and so, instead of a human being having to sit down and run through all the charts, gather all the data, find all the patterns, our goal is to train technology, specifically large language models, machine learning based models, to be able to take the same exact process and find and do the exact same things and patterns that we're able to find and do in the market as traders. And so that is the goal of our company. A little bit of background about our founders. Me, myself, I have been an entrepreneur since about 18 years old. I've actually started and grown multiple businesses since then. And it all brought me back to the finance world, which is where I'm looking to really generate large amounts of wealth for myself. One of our other founders, Mr. Forrest Obenamia, he actually worked in institutions in a bank where he worked in project management, for creating and building and honing in on the legacy systems that they have operating in their business and in their ecosystem of technology. Our last founder, Michael Vaughter, he actually has been the guy that's been in technology for the longest amount of time between the three of us. He placed top 1% in robotics competitions in high school. He did data work and data analyst jobs where he paved through a lot of data, large amounts of data, and he's the guy that is really able to help us move the needle forward when it comes to creating these more complex and robust systems that we are going to implement and grow our business model and use for the foundation of our business model. And so that is OGV Tech. We are a financial technology company and growing to be an asset management firm where we manage and grow large amounts of assets, and in the process help a lot of people make a lot of money as well.